If you currently have a student at one of the District 155 high schools, you can begin the enrollment process for your 8th grader in Skyward Family Access. Log into your account using a web browser and select New Student Online Enrollment in the upper left corner. Only the primary guardian will have the option to complete the enrollment forms, and enrollment cannot be done from the Skyward mobile app. If you are new to District 155, you will need to request an account to begin the enrollment process. To request an account, go to www.d155.org and select NSOE Account Request. Fill out all of the required fields and submit the request. Once submitted, you will need to open your email and look for a message from noreply@d155.org with the subject line Complete Student Enrollment. In this email, you will find your login information. Click the link to complete enrollment and enter the provided username and password. You are now ready to complete the enrollment process. In Step 1, you will enter your student's information. It is important that you have the boxes checked for next school year and first day of school. Step 2 is Family Guardian Information. If you already have students in the district, information may already be populated. In Step 3, you can enter any medical information that the school should know about. Step 4 is where you can designate emergency contacts that are not family or guardians that were listed in Step 2. You can list up to 3 additional contacts. In Step 5, you will need to upload a copy of your child's birth certificate and 3 documents verifying proof of residency. You will need to provide your current real estate tax bill, a valid rental contract, or a closing statement, along with a picture of your valid driver's license and a current utility bill. These documents will need to be uploaded in either JPEG or PDF format. If there are special circumstances regarding your residency, please contact the District Registrar's Enrollment Office at 815-455-8510. Step 6 contains 2 additional questions that the parent must answer. After completing the questions, click the Save button in the top right corner. Once all 6 steps have been completed, you can click the Submit Application to the District button at the bottom of the page. Submitted applications are submitted for review in the Enrollment Center. After review, you will receive an email with either an approval of the application or the need for more information. If you need additional help with the enrollment process, please contact the Registrar's Office at 815-455-8510 or email enrollment@d155.org.